Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, the distance through which a freely falling body drops is directly proportional to the square of the time for which it drops. If the body falls through 320 meters in 8 seconds, then find the distance that the body falls through in the next 2 seconds. So we have been given that distance d is proportional to square of time, that is t squared. So d2 by t2 is equal to d1 by t1. From here we get d2 by 10 squared is equal to 320 by 8 squared, or d2 is equal to 500 meters. Now what we have done is, we have taken d1 to be 320, t1 to be 8, and t2 we have taken it to be 8 plus 2. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, and d2 is the total distance that is being falling. So if this is d2, then this is our d1, that is 320 in 8 seconds, and this d2 in 10 seconds. So the distance travelled in these 2 seconds is equal to 500 minus 320, that is equal to 180 meters. The next question is, there is a circle of radius 1 centimeter. Each member of sequence of regular polygons S1n, where n is equal to 4, 5, 6 and so on, where n is the number of sides of the polygon, is circumscribing the circle, and each member of the sequence of regular polygons S2, where n is equal to 4, 5, 6 and so on, where n is the number of sides of the polygon, is inscribed in the circle. Let L1n and L2n, where n goes from 4, 5, 6 and so on, is the number of sides of the polygon, is inscribed in the circle. Let L1n and L2n denote the perimeters of the corresponding polygons of S1n and S2n. Then L113 plus 2 pi by L217 is option A greater than pi by 4 and less than 1, option B greater than 1 and less than 2, option C greater than 2, and option D less than pi by 4. So the perimeter of any polygon circumscribed about a circle, perimeter of any polygon circumscribed about a circle is always greater than the circumference of the circle, and the perimeter of any polygon inscribed in a circle is always less than the circumference of the circle. Now since the circle is of radius 1, its circumference will be 2 pi. Hence L113 greater than 2 pi and L217 less than 2 pi. Hence L113 plus 2 pi will be greater than 4 pi and L217 will be less than 2 pi. Therefore, this ratio will be greater than 2, since the numerator is greater than 4 pi and the denominator is less than 2 pi. The correct option is option C.